Welcome to Redbull Knockout Challenge, Sequoia, Tennessee. This is my knobby hobby. I got a bunch of factory riders here today. Factory riders here. We got KTM down there. Husqvarna is over here. We got all the big boys here today, and it's showing. Ooh, the race feels thick. Thick. You gotta be kidding me. Those are boulders they're rolling over. Yeah, he kind of looked like he was tired a little bit. I would have been worn out by the time I got here. That's for sure. Yeah, he's still got something in the tank. For sure, for sure. We're gonna head on to the next one. On down the line a little bit. So, in watching this, I'm realizing how much of an amateur I am. And that's okay. It just means I've got a long road to hoe and I'm willing to do it.
They all hanging around there.
Yeah, I'm getting a small bike. I'm definitely getting a small bike.
I got a WR 450, just be great for you.
guys are the best of the best. They're amazing riders, absolutely amazing riders. Amazing balance, intuition as to, you know, which track to take. They are definitely paying attention to the road ahead. Now that's some throttle control. Alright, so we just got done with the last elimination round, and we're fixing to go into the finals here in a little bit. We're taking a little break out in the woods. It's absolutely beautiful out here, and I'm having the time of my life. Incredible, a lot of fun, a lot of bikes. We got a little bit of everything out here.
Let's go!
The pros have lapped them, and they're about to lap those other two in front of them.
I know, it does. Yeah, it's like a drag race. Yeah, I mean, it just really...
I know we're going to right here. Yeah, the two, they've been last two laps.
That's your race leader right there. Second place. Never knew he was there. That's your third place. Fourth place. That's first and second place right there. These guys are smoking this track. Absolutely smoking this track. They are blazing through what I consider to be probably the hardest. And there's another pass for first place. It's all the way up. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But it's all the way up there in the top. Anyway, I would consider this probably 10 out of 10.
I don't know which one was which.
So, gee,
You think?
crazy.
White flag is out when they cross the finish line in 5-5.
Little dab will do you. Little dab will do you. It's a traffic jam. That is a hill climb right there. place right here. Alright, that was a good day. If you're first time to the channel, please consider liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting even. If you've been here before, glad you hung out with me today. Had a great time at the Redbull Tennessee Knockout Challenge. This has been quite an event. A lot of fun with Fishy and Alan, and just everybody here has been great. Had a great time. Thank you for hanging out with me. Come see me on the next one.
He chose to wander this world all alone.